You're welcome once again to British Ivy School's e-learning platform. I'm going to take you through now on numeracy. I'm Mrs. Mary Jane by name. And our topic is multiplication and division. We're already familiar with the word multiplication. Multiplication simply means repeated addition. So I'll advise that you follow my examples, okay? Carefully follow my examples because I will be treating multiplying 2 digits by 1 digit, 2 digits by 2 digits, 3 digits by 1 digit, 3 digits by 2 digits at once. Okay? Because this is something that we are familiar with. Alright, let's start. To multiply this particular number, 56 times 2. 2 times 6, 12. You write 2 and carry 1. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 1. Remember that you kept 1 somewhere. 10 plus 1 is 11. So our answer is 112. Let's take example 2. So this is basically the way to multiply 2 digits by 1 digit number. 58 times 32. Pay attention. 2 times 8 is 16. So the step is to first of all multiply this number by 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Write 6 and carry 1. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus that 1 you carried is 11. 3 times 8. So I'm done with 2 now. 3 times 8, 24. I write 4 and carry 2. 3 times 5, 15 plus 2, 17. You can see now that when I started multiplying with 3, I did not write my figure under the unit side of this particular number. I wrote started writing my figure from here. So I'll now add. Bring down 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 7 is 8. And then 1. I'll multiply 305 times 5. 5 times 5. 25. Write 5 and carry 2. 5 times 0. 0 plus 2. 5 times 3. 15. Okay. Now, the next one, next one, 6 times 7 is 42. 2 and carry 4. Okay? Just not forget, make sure that whatever number that you're carrying, you're writing it down somewhere so that you will not forget. 6 times 5, 30. Plus 4, 34. 6 times 7, 42. Write 2 and carry 4. 6 times 5, 30. 30 plus that 4, 34. Write 4 and carry 3. 6 times 2, 12. Plus that 3 you carried, 15. Okay? 2 times 7, 14. I'll write my 4 here. Please, not on this side. 14, write 4 and carry 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Write 1, carry 1. 2 times 2, 4. Plus that 1, 5. I will now add. Bring down 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is my answer. So the way to multiply a number by 2 digits or 3 digits is first of all start with one figure first and multiply out, and then start with the second one to multiply out. Now we'll go into division. 56 divided by 7. We know the usual method of counting out 0, counting at 7 heads, and counting 56. But please, I'm going to advise you to master your multiplication table. I hope you've not forgotten how to recite your multiplication table. Okay? So when you recite your multiplication table, you find out that 7 times 8 is 56. So that same way, when you divide by counting at 7 heads and counting at 56, you get what? 8. Is that clear? So 7 times 8 is 56. So whenever you're giving a division, just try and recite your multiplication table and you will get your answer. 81 divided by 9. Okay? 9 times 9 is 81. So 81 divided by 9 is 9. Now, dividing higher numbers like this, 100 divided by 10. Okay? Just follow me carefully. 10 divides 10. Are you seeing? I'm going to take this my number part by part. 10 divides 10 is 1. 10 divides 0 is 0. You see now? So I've gotten my answer as 10. So 100 divided by 10 is 10. 180 divided by 3. 180, number 4. 180 divided by 3. Instead of counting out 3 heads to multiply, to count at 180, you simply do what? Take it part by part. 3 divides 18 is what? 6. 3 divides 0 is 0. So my answer now is 60. You see that? Now the next one. 117 divided by 13. Now I'm going to introduce another method. 13 divides 11. It can't go because 11 is lesser than 13. So what will I do now? I'm going to do a trial method because counting out 13 heads to count out 117 is quite long. So I'm going to introduce a trial method. I'm going to start by trying out numbers 13 times, for example, 7. 7 times 3 is what? 21. 1 carry 2. 7 times 1, 7 plus 2, 9. You see now that 91 is far from this figure that we have here. So I will now try multiplying this 13 by another number. Okay, I will try 9 now. 9 times 3 is 27. Write 7, carry 2. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 2, 11. You see now, I've gotten this answer. So that means that 13 divided by 117 is 117 divided by 13, is what? 9. Because 9 times 13 is 117. Is that clear? Alright. Then the last one, 128 divided by 16. The same trial method. You find out that 16, for 16 to divide 12, it can't go because 12 is lesser than 16. So I will introduce this same trial method now. 16 times 7, for example, is 7 times is 42, right? 2, carry 4. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 4, 11, 1, 1, 2. Okay, you see the difference is still far from 128. So I will introduce another number that I will try out with 16 to see if I can get this my figure. I'll try 8, a higher number. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 carry 4. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So you see that I've gotten the figure that I'm looking for. So that means that 16 times 8 is 128. 16 divided by 128 is what? 8. So 8 is my answer. Okay. Alright, so follow this method of getting of dividing higher numbers to get to your answers instead of the long method of counting out heads to count out your numbers. Alright, now go through this again and I will give you a homework to do. I'll give you homework to do. I'm going to give you homework to do. Okay, so you're going to try multiplying this. 26 times 13, 97 times 8, 40 times 20, and then divide these numbers. Okay? Try with the method I've just taught you to divide these numbers. Alright, thank you very much for listening and do have a nice day. Take care.